All right, happy homeowners. Over here in Rosemead, California. Getting ready to start refinishing this original hardwood floor. It's going to be such a transformation. Look at that. See that there? Watch that. I'm going to do the instant before. Look at this. This thing is so beat up. I can't wait for you to see the after video. But man, this thing is going to be beautiful. Looks like they tried to mop something on. You see the color difference? Like these marks are from the Home Depot sander that people rent. You can see these boards here was replaced, repaired, but not bad. Got a stain over here that may or may not come out. May have to replace those boards. We are going to get busy. You guys are going to love this one. Stay tuned.